Hey, Mr. Engine, I'm here today again. Today, I am going to talk about pull cord. Pull cord. Why a pull cord is not retracting. That is what I'm going to talk today. Is that a problem? Look at my own problem. You see, the pull cord is not retracting again. The pull cord is supposed to retract back by itself. When you pull, you see, it's not going back in. That means my pull cord has a fault. So how am I going to fix it? We are going to fix it together. If there is a problem today, you should be able to solve the problem. Let's start and let's get the ball rolling. As you can see, there is a screw here. It is there you can lose the whole complete pull cord starter or starting rope or whatever name you are calling it. There are 5 reasons or 4 reasons that may make your pull cord not to be pulling or not to be retracting. That is what we are going to discuss today. Number 1 is that maybe your rope is too big. If your rope is too big, then what will be expressed is that your pull cord will not retract because the size of the pulley is too small for your rope. So you need to buy a sizable rope that can travel right inside your pulley of your pull cord. That is number 1. And which one is the number 2? Number 2 is your pulley itself. This is the pulley. Here is a plastic pulley. Majorly in small engine you have plastic pulley. But if your pulley is faulty, that may prevent your engine, your pull cord from retracting back. And when you are expressing this, then you need to replace your pulley. You need to check your pull cord pulley very well. Check it very well. If it's bad, then you need to replace it. Another thing that can be the cause is your recoil spring. There is a spring that is responsible when you pull. There's a spring that retracts back for you. If that spring has broken, then it will not make your pull cord to retract any longer. So if your recoil spring has broken, it will prevent your pull cord from retracting. The 4th one I'm going to mention here is wrong coupling. Maybe by the time you couple your pull cord, you didn't couple very well. There's some mistakes here and there that may make your pull cord not to retract. Now, what I'm going to do is that let's see what's wrong with my own. You can see it's not pulling back. Let's see what's wrong with it and let's do it together and let's see what's wrong with it. Now, let's get started. This is a screwdriver. I want to lose the center. Let me lose and see. I'm losing now, as you can see. Oh, voila! You can see my spring. My spring has caught. Because of that, it's not retracting. So maybe your old spring has caught. You can see my pulley. My pulley is very sound. My pulley is okay. But my problem is my spring has caught. So check your spring very well. Check if your spring is responsible why your pulley is not tracking. Check your rope and check your coupling. You couple very well, then I believe your pull cord will give you a better result. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch the next video that I'm going to drop that talks about what is the length of your pull cord rope. Subscribe so that when I drop that video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.